Hey guys, Jordan's Outdoors, and today we're going to be doing the part 2 of my do-it-yourself deer head mount. And first, what we got right here is a piece of wood that we're going to be mounting our deer head to, right here. I got the deer head bleached. It should look pretty cool when we get all done. But now, what we're going to do first is we're going to stain this piece of wood with what we have here, the red chestnut wood stain. Now I made sure they have a good surface on the floor. Can't really see it on the segment, but what we have here is cardboard under a big trash bag, and so we won't get anything on the floor.
I like to hunt, I like to hunt, I like to hunt, I like to hunt, I like to fish, I like to fish, I like to fish, I like to fish. I got my camo, I got my gun, I got my camo, I got my pound, I got my reel, I got my rod, I got my rod, I got my rod. Hop in my truck, back to have fun. Hop in my truck, back to have fun. Park in the field, deer better run. Deer better run, 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 run. Whack, whack. Outdoors, hunting's life. 2019 got me a dragon.
Okay guys, so I just put my second coat on and I'm gonna let it dry. I have a fan going on here. Got the windows open like always because it's super toxic in here. Got a clear gloss, and I'm just gonna spray the whole thing with it, give it a nice sheen, I hope, and hopefully it turns out great.
I like to fish, I like to fish. I got my camo, I got my gun, I got my camo, I got my pound, I got my reel, I got my rod, I got my reel, I got my rod. Hop in my truck, back to have fun. Hop in my truck, back to have fun. Park in the field, deer better run. They better run. Run, run, run. Whack, whack.
Hey guys, as you guys have seen in this video, we're able to find a really nice red chestnut to stain this piece of wood that me, my wife, and Peanut went out to the Snake River and found. It looks really great with this deer head, and the white on the deer head really pops out with that color. And I'm super excited to show you guys because I've been like going crazy because it's been in my house for like a couple days now, done, and I wanted to show you guys all so fast. And yeah, so I'm just ready to show you guys, so let's get to it. All right guys, I'm super excited. Are you guys ready? Because I am. Let's do this. Heck yeah. And so this is the deer mount. I'm super proud of what it's turned out to be. It looks great with this deer. I'm so happy. And this is, it looks great right next to my turkey that I shot when I was 13. And I actually made a turkey wing bone call out of its wing. And so, this is it. Thanks for watching Jordan's Outdoors, and we will see you guys next time on our next video. Okay. Yeah, no. Nope, nope. That's all too much. Hey guys, so we finished the project, and you guys saw how yeah.